Perfect, zie je? Dan heb je vlekken.
few months ago, Bram contacted me through Facebook with a message, I want to make my own custom chef's knife. And we talked a little bit about knives, and after a little while we decided to make him a custom chef's knife. So this was his 3-day class, and after his 3-day class we managed to make a 75 layer Damascus super brute barbecue style chef's knife. So
Yeah.
with a harpoon point. It was a really great time. So
Was nice. Learned a lot. Cried a lot. Sometimes inside.
so
It was yeah, it was difficult at some points, but we managed to make it in 3 days, so that's quite a accomplishment, I guess.
So, if you think I want to make my own custom knife, or I want to learn how to forge Damascus, and you're nearby, I mean if you're from England or something, you can fly over and you can stay here. That's also fine, but I do classes, I'm doing it for a little while right now, but this is actually the first time I filmed it and I put it on YouTube. So if you want to make your own custom knife, or if you want to learn how to forge Damascus, send me a mail. I will put my mail in the description. Also, be sure to follow Bram on Instagram.
Yeah.
So that's very important as well. Be sure to follow me as well. It's also very important. And
Thanks for watching.
I hope you liked the video. Bye bye.
I want to thank my mom for this beautiful, no, thank you, Floris. Yeah, I'm very emotional right now. Let's make an end of this.